This is the new Kia Seltos and it's a proper facelift with lots of upgrades. This is the GTX variant. The front of the car looks much closer to the Telluride with that squared headlamps and the 3D grille. The bumper and grille are different than the one that you get in the lower variants. The skid plate is finished in dark gunmetal. We have 6 parking sensors at the front along with the radar for ADAS. Coming to the side profile, the wheels are 18 inches and the brake calipers are painted in neon yellow. The side cladding is glossy, which will attract scratches very easily in my opinion. I like how they have done the mirrors in dual tone. We have flush door handles, the length has been increased by 95 mm and the wheelbase has also been increased by 80 mm. And there is this dark gunmetal lining wrapped around the top of the window lining. At the back, it's all Karens. We have the connected tail lights and the rear bumper has that squared elements like the front. The boot space we have here is 447 liters. Getting inside, the interior is somewhat familiar to what we have seen in Ciros. The interior is dual tone black and white. First up, there's this 10-way powered driver seat with lumbar support. There are all the controls for mirror and seat ventilation. The steering wheel is sourced from EV6, which is a bit big to use in city in my opinion. Then there are these screens, 12.3-inch instrument cluster, 12.3-inch infotainment and another 5-inch touchscreen for AC controls between both of them. Below that, there are physical buttons for infotainment and AC. Thank you Kia, really appreciate it. And there are 3 Type-C charging ports, a wireless charger below it, gear lever, 2 cup holders and a central armrest which also has a 12-volt charging socket. There is the auto-dimming IRVM and you get new headrests as well. Coming at the back, the leg space is pretty good thanks to the increased wheelbase and the headroom is also decent. We have sunshades, huge panoramic sunroof. Here is how the back seat looks like and the rear armrest has 2 cup holders. Now here's the fun part. We also have Type-C ports like this in the front seats. Pretty cool, right? Then we have the rear AC vents and some storage space below it. And this is how the interior looks like from the back. The overall fit and finish is really great. Now this was a quick walk around of the new Kia Seltos. What do you think? Tell me in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos.